So here in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to change video language on YouTube mobile. So for that reason, let me just open up my YouTube application and simply go with any of the video that I want. So let me just open up this video right over here. And then from here, you need to tap on the settings on the top right side corner. So you will find out the audio track. If this is not available, this is meaning the owner of the video turned off the auto dubbing. Alright, but if you're seeing this, you can simply tap on that and simply you can change the language of the video. The original language of the video is that English, but you can change it to the Spanish like that and simply turn on the voice.
Es como se permite que TikTok acceda a la cámara y al micrófono.
As you can see, the voice has been changed and as well as the language. So that's how you can simply change video language on YouTube on your mobile phone. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.